My name is Saskia Just and I'm the operation manager of Volkshaus. Volkshaus is a construction company and is specialized on prefabricated timber frame houses. So what we are doing is we are building house from timber. And what does it mean, prefabrication? We are now here in the heart of our factory and we do prefabrication. So that means the most of the jobs are really happening here in the factory. So here we are built these huge wall elements which we will bring to site and then assemble on site. So what we are doing, what we are believing in, of course, timber is not that we love timber and that we are really specialized in the timber technology. We really see that timber is, we often say it's a concrete of the future. Because what we are realizing and what we are seeing as of today, that if you compare it with the concrete industry worldwide, this is responsible for 8% of global CO2 emission, right? And we have to look into this and we have to look in really alternatives, what we can use. And timber, it's just the really most sustainable and natural resource what we can use and what is the future for really the building sector. That a lot of people are really having concerns about what is with the fire, if there is fire. And of course we incorporated this also with the German technology. We did a lot of analysis how we really can protect this house from fire. And what we are doing is we are protecting from inside our wall elements with fire-resistant gypsum board, and from outside we are protecting the wall elements with fire-resistant cement fiber boards. What is really the advantages to using timber? If you compare it, of course, what I mentioned already is really this huge environmental impact, what it has to use timber instead of concrete. Even that timber is a renewable resource, so we can grow trees all the time, right? I think everything what is regarded with concrete building is limited, building sand is limited. So, but this is the big advantage on the environment impact, but also the big advantage what is coming to, for example, why is it so interesting for a developer to use or to buy timber houses that we do prefabrication. So that means we have an industrialized factory here and we can really build in a very quick time. So that means if a developer comes really and is ordering 100 houses from one unit, we will start on a construction site with a solid substructure platform. But in the meantime, we can start production of these houses. Right now, there's really a global shift from going from concrete to timber. So recently in Germany, last year, there was just a 67 high meter tower finished complete with the same technology what we are using here. You will see it more often now in the world. The timber is really the concrete of the future.